Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu at home without mascarpone. First, let's explore some excellent alternatives to achieve that signature creamy texture. You can use a blend of cream cheese and heavy cream, or even a mixture of ricotta and whipped cream. These options provide a similar richness and body, ensuring your tiramisu is just as delightful as the original. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a perfect, easy-to-make dessert. Now, let's prepare our creamy filling. Start by beating 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar until smooth and light. In a separate bowl, whip 1 cup of cold, heavy cream until it forms soft, airy peaks. This step is crucial for achieving a light and fluffy texture. Carefully fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture, ensuring everything is well combined without deflating the air. With our cream ready, it's time to assemble. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into strong, cooled coffee, being careful not to oversoak them. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-infused ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Next, spread half of your prepared creamy mixture evenly over the ladyfingers. Repeat these layers, finishing with a final layer of cream. This layering creates the iconic tiramisu structure. Almost there. Cover your assembled tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set properly. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic finish. It's a simple step that adds both visual appeal and a hint of bitterness. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.